lovelies, today I'm going to show you a detailed video on how I remove my makeup and I'll further guide you through my nighttime skincare routine. I take an alcohol-free wet wipe to remove makeup residue and dirt from my face. Actually, this is a very important step, you guys. Taking off your makeup is a first step to having a clear and healthy skin. I take this micellar water from Garnier and it's their argan oil variant, and I'm so much in love with this product. Trust me guys, this product works like a magnet and it pulls out all the makeup residues of your face, and it's like my holy grail. I'm so much in love with this product. Now I take face wash to wash my face. It's an oil control face wash. It has green tea extract which removes excess oil as well as regulates the oil sebum production in the skin, and the berberry extract, which is known for its antiseptic properties, hence effectively cleanses and disinfects pores. Now I take lotus oatmeal and yogurt scrub. I really like the ingredients here because yogurt is a natural cleanser and it's enriched with lactic and alpha hydroxy acid that helps to soften and brighten the skin. My skin is super sensitive and prone to acne, so when I scrub my face, I scrub it for about 2 to 3 minutes only. My skin already feels so fresh and radiant. Then I apply Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask and keep it on my skin for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Now comes my favorite part, that is toning my face. I like using Biotique Cucumber Toner. It is for normal to oily skin. It's enriched with vitamin C and the cucumber extract in it hydrates the face. What I'm doing is I like to take the toner on my palm and I gently tap it on my face. It is a Korean method of applying toner which is very gentle on skin. Then I take Innisfree serum. It has orange peel and vitamin C extracts that helps to reduce dark spots and makes my skin really glowy. Now I apply moisturizer on my face. I like to take a generous amount of cream and give my face and neck a healthy massage. I have learned few techniques which I apply to massage my face before going to bed. It relaxes me so well that I get a very good sleep at night. Trust me guys, if you massage your face religiously every night, your skin is going to thank you later. Now I'm applying under eye cream, and this is Jovi's 24 karat gold eye contour gel, and it has almond extract in it which helps to fight the dark circle. And what I do is I run my ring finger to give my eyeballs and the areas around my eyes a very gentle massage. Few months back I was experiencing tremendous hair loss, so I've learned to religiously braid my hair before going to sleep because it keeps my hair structured, prevents breakage, and it has minimized my frizz to some extent. And yes, it saves a lot of time in the morning. And yeah, I just quickly want to add in that I scrub and mask my face only twice a week, and the rest of the routine I follow every day.